guys, so today we're going to talk on MySQL, and the various things we're going to talk on is what is MySQL, how does MySQL work, the key features of MySQL, and I'm going to show you some practical illustration of MySQL. So MySQL is an open source relational database that enables users to store, manage, and retrieve structures efficiently. So basically, it is widely used for various applications, from small scale projects to large scale websites and enterprise level solutions. And so we have the database itself. So the database is a relational MySQL, and it is a structured collection of data organized and stored in tables. And it serves as a central repository where information is efficiently managed, allowing users to store, retrieve, update, and delete data. And it provides the software framework to create, maintain, and interact with this database, making data storage and retrieval seamless and reliable. So, how does it work? So, MySQL follows a client-server architecture. It consists of two main components: the MySQL server, which handles data storage, management, and processing the various client applications that interact with the server, perform database operations. And this speed, how it works is just so how it works is just you create MySQL creates a database for storing and manipulating data and define the relationship of each table. Now clients can make requests by typing a specific SQL statement in MySQL. Then the server application will respond with the requested information to appear on the client side. So from the client side, it usually emphasizes MySQL GUI to use. The lighter and more user-friendly the GUI, the faster and easier their data management activities will be. So we have various key features. There are various key features and aspects of MySQL. We have the relational database management system. We have the open source. We have the SQL, which is the structured query language. We have the table-based data storage and scalability. So I'm going to explain this particular one. So for the relational database management system, MySQL it's a software that manages a relational database where data is organized into tables with predefined relationship between them. So open source. MySQL is an open source, as we all know, and which means that the source code is freely available on the public, and developers can modify and contribute to the code base. So we have the SQL, which is a structured language, and is a language used to interact with MySQL database. It simply allows the users to perform various operations like querying, inserting, updating, and deleting data. So we have table-based data storage. Now, data in SQL is stored in tables, yes, which consists of rows and columns. Now, each column corresponds to a specific attribute, and each row represents a record. So we have stability. Now, MySQL supports both vertical and horizontal scaling to accommodate both the data, volume, and user traffic. And it can be used in small scale applications to large scale enterprise solutions or a web application. So basically I'm going to illustrate practical how it works, how MySQL works. So yeah, this is my environment. So first things first. So let's run the version of the MySQL server. So yeah, this is the server, the service, and the version of it, which is MySQL 5.5.62, and is running on Ubuntu 14.04. And here is the MAC address, and here is the port number, which is the TCP port number. So let's connect to the remote user of MySQL.
Where are you? Oh, okay. This is your Becky, eh? What's wrong with that? Which kind of person? Um,
So we are currently logged in as a root user. So let's check the database which are on this MySQL server now. And to check that, we use show database.
Yeah, take it. I mean, this place is one. Share. Boy.
Note, if you use show database, it's not going to work because it's the wrong syntax. You can see it's telling you to continue the code, like it's trying to tell you that it's wrong. So you need to make it right. So if I just simply add this and this, so it shows an error. So let me write the correct code for this. So these are the various databases that are running on this server. As you can see, there are 11 rows on this set, on the database, which we have the books, database, password, secret, stores, and so on. So let's say I want to know how many records that are present in the table, which they are present in this database called book, for example. So let's check how many authors that are present in this database called books. So for us to access this database called books, we use the use function. The use function is for us to get into this particular database called books. So yeah, I'm logged into the database. I'm already inside the database. So let me run some commands to check for the author of the book. Hmm, sorry. It's trying. Okay, yeah. So this. the number of authors of this particular database are 10. So that is all for this the conclusion also. MySQL remains an invaluable tool for fascinating with the potential of data with efficiency, performance, and security. Whether you are locally or installing data at authorities, mastering MySQL opens doors to a world of data-driven possibilities, and it enables you to stay ahead in the ever evolving landscape of technology and business. Thank you, and see you in the next class.